Hello friends, here we are going to discuss syntax directed translation applications. So basically what is SDT? Here we are going to discuss what is SDT, what what is the use of SDT and what is the applications of a SDT. How the SDT is used in calculator as a calculator. In exam this question is also asked, explain the desktop calculator for SDT. So what is SDT? SDT is nothing but syntax directed translation. It is nothing but the collection of a grammar plus semantic rules. So what is grammar and what is semantic rule? Grammar is nothing but context free grammar that have four quadruples, variables, that is non-terminal, terminal, production and production rules and starting symbol. And what is semantic rules? Semantic rules are nothing but the semantic actions or informal notations. With the help of that we are going to what we can say that point out to or provide a detail to the compiler what kind of action is to be taken out when particular production is to be accessed. We already discussed syntax directed translation and what is that and how which is to be useful for desktop calculator. So here we are going to discuss parse tree and application of a syntax directed translation. So application of syntax directed translation is a syntax tree. So this is your syntax tree, but before going to discuss this we know about what is parse tree. So what is parse tree? Parse tree is nothing but the techniques with the help of that we are going to construct a syntax tree or parse tree from the given tokens. So parse tree is that parse tree is what is that parse tree is nothing but the just like as a hierarchical structure which is to be constructed from the given tokens. So we know that what is token is nothing but a category or class of input and which divides that a particular instruction which divide a particular instruction in a tokens. So here the tokens are what we can say that identifier, constants, operators. Okay. Now, what is parse tree? Parse tree generate a syntax tree or a hierarchical structure from the given string or given token. So here we have a particular parse tree. E produces E plus T or E implies E plus T. Then we have T produces T star F. Then T produces F and F produces number. And here F produces number. In next we have T produces F and F produces number. So here just like as a parse tree. So here we found that there for every parse tree is detailed description of a given notations or given tokens, but here we doesn't want to detailed descriptions. So here we are next application of a SDT is your syntax tree. So just like as a number into number, so here we have number into number just like as so number is given to F and F is given to T and number is given to F. So here we have number into number. So here the detailing is available as we know that. So here we have example of 3 into 5 plus 4. So number into number means 3 into 5, what we will get? We will get 15. So this is not our final answer, but we have next number is given to F and F is given to T. So here we directly have a number 4. So 15 plus 4 is your 19. So just like as a syntax tree is work. So that is for syntax tree, and this is the main application of a syntax directed translation. Okay, thank you so much.